Hello everyone, this video will teach you how to deploy Deep-Live-Cam AI face swapping on AGX Orin developer kit with just one click. First, find the seed project's JSON examples repository on GitHub. Click Start to support us in continuing to maintain this project. In the examples list, there are many cases that support one-click deployment. For example, AI face swapping, fine-tuning the LL on a large model, ComfyUI, YOLO, and many other projects. Click on our Deep-Live-Cam project, where you can find the related usage instructions. Before getting started, you will need an AGX Orin with Jetpack 6 and a USB camera. To enhance performance, you need to follow these steps to modify the contents of this file. Now let's officially start deploying Deep-Live-Cam. Copy this environment installation command. Paste the command into the terminal to begin installing the environment. Next, copy the Deep-Live-Cam one-click start command into the terminal. If this is your first time starting it, pulling the Docker image may take some time depending on your network speed and device environment. It's working. It will create an image folder in the home directory, which will be mapped to the Docker container. You can place template images into this folder. Now, let's select an image as the template and use another image to test the AI face swapping. Click Preview to display the conversion effect. The first run may take around minutes to complete. Here, you can click the Face Enhancer button to improve the facial details. Let's switch to another image for testing. Let's test the real-time face swapping with the webcam. You need to connect the camera before starting the program.